Welcome to the University of Pittsburgh at Titusville Education and Training Hub. Here we'll show you everything you need to know to see if the Pitt-Titusville Hub is the right match for you. Continuing Pitt-Titusville's commitment to revitalize and strengthen the oil region of northwestern Pennsylvania, the Education and Training Hub has been designed with the needs of the region in mind. With the demand for medical training and personnel at an all-time high, our Associate of Science in Nursing degree gives potential registered nurses the training and first-hand experience they need to prepare them as qualified medical professionals. Each student is given a personalized Pitt-quality education, which benefits greatly from our small class sizes and emphasis on hands-on learning. Our state-of-the-art training lab prepares students to operate at their best as medical professionals. This experience is second to none in northwestern Pennsylvania, and we take serious pride in our devotion to professionalism and education. Our minimum requirements for enrollment of incoming high school students are an SAT score of 1110 or an ACT score of at least 22 and at least a 2.75 GPA. Due to the current restrictions caused by COVID-19, we're encouraging all potential applicants to take and submit ACT results as soon as they're able. This year, the ACT is allowing online testing, so be sure to take advantage of this amazing opportunity. SATs are still likely to be in person, so be sure to schedule your exam as soon as possible. For students who don't meet these criteria, we've partnered with the Northern Pennsylvania Regional College to help prepare them for the challenges of our nursing program. The classes needed for the general education certificate you can earn through NPRC can be started as early as high school. At the University of Pittsburgh at Titusville Education and Training Hub, applying is faster than saying our name. Call now or visit our website to begin your journey in becoming a University of Pittsburgh nurse today.